oval. Okay, one oval like this and one oval like this. So we're creating now inside you just creates one circle, big circle. Okay, this is eyeball. First make the oval. First make the oval like this, and insides make one big circle. Okay, and this is eyes. Okay, this is called eyes, and make here eyebrow like this. Okay, make its eyebrow like this. Okay, do this nicely. Now make a nose in these characters. Just make a nose like this. Hi, Tapan here. Sure, no problem here. So here this is a nose. Make it the nose. After the eyes done, you make nose like this. Very simple. Okay. This oval. Make the oval. Okay, one oval over here. Okay, and now we're just erasing this line. Okay, this line, and I make it little. Okay, I erasing this line, and I make it little like this, little like this. Okay, little like this. Little like this. Okay, the chain I draw over here, this chain. And now here to here, you draw in middle the mouth. Okay, you just make its mouth over here. See, you just make two lines. One, two, like this. So you make this one. This is a mouth. Okay. Make mouth like this. Aram sector. Okay. See? First finish this one. Okay, that much. It should be, both sides should be the same. Okay, one side's is smaller and one side is bigger, it's not accepting. Make it both sides same. First make this one, okay, and now after that we are just going to over here, okay, you create here, you just create here one circle, this in top like this, okay, here like this. So you actually do this cap kind of, okay, like this is monkey cap kind of the wearing, see, something like that bead circle. Okay, now give this one, okay, so fine. Now here and here you can just add, okay, I constantly I just want to, I call you, but you are joined already, so don't worry, I call if you join. Okay, make this ear, do ear like this, okay, see, this is a very simple. I make this two ear, so I create this very cute characters over here, okay, I make the cute character over here. This is the one girls in wearing this cloth in winter season, okay, simple you try to draw like this, okay, simple, you can make some design. हाँ hello बोलो, हाँ जी क्लास चल रही है ऑनलाइन में सैटरडे, अच्छा 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 फाइन अच्छा ओके sure okay sure 10টা okay আচ্ছা পরে হ্যাঁ okay sure done. Okay. So we are creating the characters, okay, done. So okay, then Fuji, wow, very nice Fuji, very good, you try your best, I like it. Can you Kasturi Pidi Purnada, can you show please? Oh, very nice, beta. Very good. I like that. I like that. You must welcome. So we are going to color this drawing. Okay. So it's very simple colors we can do. Okay. So for colors, we need to. Okay, before color, I do this another drawing. Okay, it's also a simple drawing. We make this another drawing. Okay,